Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie with a blender. First, gather your ingredients. You'll want a good mix of fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables for flavor and nutrients. Next, select your liquid base. Water, milk, or juice all work wonderfully. Don't forget a protein boost like yogurt or a scoop of protein powder to keep you feeling full and energized. This simple foundation is key to a delicious and healthy drink. Now, let's get blending. Always start by adding your liquids to the blender first. Then, layer in your softer ingredients, followed by any harder items like frozen fruit or ice. This layering helps the blades work efficiently. Begin blending on a low speed to break things down, then gradually increase to a higher speed until your smoothie is perfectly smooth. If things get stuck, use your tamper tool to push ingredients down safely. Making your smoothie truly yours is easy. If you prefer a sweeter taste, try adding natural options like a few dates, a drizzle of honey, or some maple syrup. For an extra nutritional punch, toss in a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it. You can also control the thickness. Add more liquid for a thinner consistency or more ice for a thicker, colder treat. Finally, let's talk about cleanup, which is often the least fun part, but it doesn't have to be. The best tip is to clean your blender immediately after use. Just add warm water and a small drop of dish soap, then blend for about 30 seconds. Rinse it out, and you're done. This quick method prevents food from drying and sticking. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.